Ronnie Gabriel, interestingly, it's the fourth match in charge for Miguel Cardoso. Leading the scoring charts, a man on the Brazilians' bench, that being Ikram Reyners with half a dozen goals in the league this season, as we have been operating since the arrival of Miguel Cardoso, these slow, patient build-ups.
Stop it, Ribeiro!
Challenging for it unsuccessfully. Went short a couple of times against Amazulu. They do so again here today. As he swings it. Mamelodi Mokoena. Space for Mokoena. Comes inside. What are the uprights? So what the coach has been trying to work on since arriving. I mean, two shots is Ribeiro. First touch and second is a shot. And this football journey in Mamelodi Sundowns development.
Passport! Oh, step boy!
Work done by
Hey, keep it too bad.
Yep.
That's a goal. Moses would spin away from the target. That time he sets it up beautifully with the weight created by the fullback, only the one that came from now. This could be promising here. Nava. And into pavement as far as their ball play, distracted by a number of intercepted passes. Mokoena puts it in, away by Butuma. Korisang. Just stuck that out for Obas.
What a goal! Step boy! I see him Step boy! I see him again.
Again, it's the defense clean toss. He already had seen the goalkeeper that is coming. All he needed to do is just take the ball. This one more, I think. You will see the first touch is what saved him to glory. From there, he had already seen where the goalkeeper was, and he just needed to. Now, two strikes that he has himself.
That's all good.
Looking for an inside. Dennis Onyango saves. This season does Dennis Onyango. 22-23 season. And that ball is not well cleared. And then junior. Yeah. Really decent in such a range, but you got to ask question from the Sundowns defense. Still, Richards Bay have an opportunity. And it will be hit. Oh! As a shot. Indeed. And he was onside. Fourth time that he's this season. Three of those Sundowns here on the front foot here.
Step boy, Ribeiro.
Some of them is with far. Now technically of all the shots that they've managed. Now Ribeiro fall in, looking for another assist. Have not conceded in the league for 8 hours now. This is what chips it up easy. Sundowns. Decent ball in and Sundowns struggle to clear. Dwadiba. Ball over the top, yeah. Dwadiba takes it in his stride, but was well tracked by Tembu. Of next month, with Sundowns having 3 Champions League games coming up, starting from looking back for those games. We're joined by William Shongwe for the second period. Making all the early inroads. performance must have pleased the coach that he allowed the players to say, continue to play on the front foot.
In the league, against Supersport United, Richard Spain and Ribeiro Koza.
Total awareness.
Corner to go. Can't force his cross past Grand Kekana. Clever. Mapuya. Lovely ball. Kekana tries to get on the end of that. Then over the top from Gumede.
Down on target. That Luke definitely bound for goal. And with Dennis once again rooted to the ground.
Sales. Ribeiro. Historic Ribeiro. That one really. Zikali. Mabuya. Chance for another good cross. A good shape on. Claim from Dennis Onyango to say that Richards Bay very well could break their duck against Sundowns. There's Mukwena. Drags it wide by first half goals. Last season being the exception, a header from Mendieta late on. Assist from Kulise. Now Mabuya looking for his assist. Currently on, he has scored in his last 6 appearances for Mamelodi Sundowns in a personal capacity. So they go short again. Sikali.
Team of Sundowns are able to get to the ball and protect to come in between. And maybe a bit of pressure done.
Ribeiro.
From the defending side, leaves the goalkeeper on his spot. He's a stop there. Acts like an inverted wheel. You have a chance to pin that ball into the far post, get a little bit of it.
And he's hung on to it. Zika. Kumete. Producing a masterclass here. Oh man. And Richards Bay, who scored goals of no consequence. Away by Shindere. Bela can't thread it through. Tetwa. Figueiredo. Space for him to pull the trigger. Wonderful block. Mabuya. Hangs one up at the back post.
That's the kind of job.
Figueiredo keeps it in. Kutumena connects. Who's replaced by Peter Shirley. It's the bottom of Quinn. Drives forward and continues. Reynolds. Oh, squeezing it through. Tashreed Matthews. Showing his space. What wonderful recovery there from Keegan Allen. Away from him. Chip. Hanging it up towards Peter Shirley. He's improved over the years. He's more. Anything now would be a consolation into the goal. So, Dennis Onyango, just checked forward.